Okay, so I have a product that I'm going to be placing in my TPT store, and I am going to create a preview for it because I don't want to automatically generate my thumbnails from the document that I upload. And the reason I don't want to do this is because it makes it easier for people to copy. But also, if you don't upload a thumbnail, people are not going to be able to preview your product, which lessens the chances that they are going to buy. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a new presentation in PowerPoint. This is a new blank presentation, but I want to change the page size to 8.5 by 11. I can do this by going into design and then choosing the slide size, and I want to hit custom slide size. And then I'm going to go ahead and change this to portrait and 8.5 by 11. I'm going to do maximize. That's just my personal preference. You can do ensure fit if you'd like. The next thing I want to do is take advantage of the template that's already here, and I'm going to click on view. After we're in view, we're going to go over here. Okay, now you don't want to delete or change any of these masters that are in here because those are pre-installed on your computer. So you're going to click insert layout and insert layout twice. I'm going to move these all the way up to the top. Because those are the ones that I want to use. And then after I've done that, I'm going to click around here, delete all of these extra boxes on both of those new pages that I've created. Okay, now the next thing you're going to want to do is either use your theme colors, just a plain color. If you have theme colors for your TPT store, you can do that. Or if you don't want to do any of those things, you can insert a shape, which I'm just going to insert a big square, and then you can actually fill it in. If you want to leave it like this, this is perfectly fine. Or you can go up here to shape fill and go down to texture or gradient. And you could pick something that looks kind of like a table or a desk if you'd like to do that. Okay, now we're going to go into insert placeholder, and I'm going to select add a picture, and then I'm just going to pick the size that I would like for my pictures to be. And I'm going to continue to duplicate that across just by hitting Control C, Control V. I can make the process a little bit faster. If I want to add in a larger picture, you know, to get it a little bit more full size, I can do that. And just continue to do that for how many ever pages you would like. Next thing, make sure that you are under Slide Master. We're going to click on Rename so that you can find these later. I'm just going to call them TPT Preview Pink, just so that I know what color they are, because sometimes I use different brand colors. All right, now when you've renamed each of your templates, you have to name each one. We're going to close the master view. Okay, and now that we're out of the slide master, we're going to click on new slide. And you can see all of your previews if you saved them. They should be here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and save this really quickly. So my life is going to be made easier. I don't ever have to remake this again if I don't want to, because it's going to be saved as just a blank presentation before I add to it. Okay, now that I have a few of my previews, I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit of text to here with kind of just a shorter description of what is here. If you want to go a little bit farther to kind of protect your product, you can also add in just like a little text box here with the word preview. And then what we're going to do is we're going to kind of bump up the size of this. We may even bump it up to like 200. Oh, that's a little bit too big. Let's try 175. Okay, and then I'm going to change the color of this even to be kind of like a gray. And then I'm going to tilt it. A little bit like that, and you can copy it and put it. Okay. I don't know what to do.